So, hi everybody. Today I will teach you how to be using a potentiometer. And so, all you need is a breadboard, a miniature breadboard or a regular breadboard, potentiometer, a 9-volt battery that doesn't have this much volts because this battery burnt LEDs. So don't get Energizer Max. It does not work. This type of battery does work. Duracell works. You will need 2 wires and 1 LED. So this is how you do it. First you want to place 1 wire back here, another wire back here, and then you see there's 3 hooks. You want just this one and the middle one, or you can use the opposite side, but you must use the middle one or else the potentiometer will not work. So after you place your potentiometer in, place your LED just right by potentiometer. It should have one more space where you can put it. Now what you do is connect your battery to it. It should light up about any. Okay, I think I have to turn my potentiometer up. Maybe. Wait, guys. This might take a second or two. I swear I just did it before. Maybe I have to turn the potentiometer this way. And then I'll try this way. If none of that works, you want to turn your LED other way. Sit in, possibly because of that. Wait, something's wrong. Sorry, but you guys could try this. It might work for you. And alright, what if I place it in the other way? Well, it's the same exact thing. You have to make sure you placed it in. Oh, I placed it down here. You have to place it up over here, the first 2, because that's where you place your wires, and that's where the battery connects to. So now you place in the 9-volt. You turn your potentiometer up maybe, and then you light it up. You see that? So the potentiometer, what it does is it controls your power. So if I do this, if I turn it this way, and I connect it to the battery, nothing. That's because the potentiometer isn't giving any more power. But if I turn it the other way, what it's doing is it's giving it power to light up. So you can control how many volts go into that one object using your potentiometer. And thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Please like and subscribe for more fun robotic videos. Bye.